I have to go downstairs real quick. Yeah, so I'm taking you guys with me. I need to find that card. Third floor. Oh, okay. I forgot something. I'm trying to. Let me get my. Oh, crap. Right now, watching game. I don't really watch games that much, really, but I'm trying to. I can never stay focused. Or my hands is in the way. I think it's on my vlog video. I'm mad I didn't record, but I like all the stuff I did today. If you guys didn't know, I'm from Louisville. So yeah. Like every time I do something, I've never showed you guys. You guys like football? Yes or no? Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Guys, I am taking this makeup off or whatever. I drank some pop. I drank a lot of pops today, so probably get chest pains and I feel them coming. This thing keeps getting caught up on my nose ring. So, I'll show you guys what I got today. It's small, and I got this black undershirt. It's a medium because I can't fit the small undershirt. And then I got a medium undershirt. And then I got another medium shirt. I didn't tell you guys the color, but this is black. Oh, this one's not a medium. Wait, this, I don't know if I took, but this is a small. I don't wear size small, but I guess I wasn't paying attention. And I got this green tank top. Well, not tank top. What are these called? Basic tops.
I did not know this was a car commercial when I first saw it.
It's a medium. It's gray. And then I got these. Okay, that's loud. Oh my goodness.
Got something lit? No. It's an actual fire alarm.